Hello, hope you're having a good day. Today we have a box and a Hinderer XM-24. Oh, that's in there. This is a Hinderer XM-18 Bowie. All the mystery's gone. I'll just open this up. Some tape. Picked this up at River's Edge Cutlery. They have some good stuff. Only you can prevent dull knives. Anyway, here we have another box. Made in the USA. Let's get this one over here. Yeah. The XM-24. Skinny. I believe the skinnies are just the same width as the XM-18. Yeah. So, not too skinny. XM-18 just feels great in my hands. So, why not try a little bit bigger one? This is a brass anno. Looks pretty good. And then black and blue G10. Pretty interesting contrast. This one has a flipper. This one has no flipper. Look at that nice flipper. I like the flipper. Let's give it a first flick. Woo. Big old Wharncliffe on this one. And I haven't seen too many videos showing how thin they get. I was curious about that. It's not too, it's thin, but it's not like too scary thin. Nice stonewash finish. Looks good. This is the working finish. I like this a lot. Working finish is cool. Not afraid to carry this and scuff it up. Stonewash is a little shinier. You can see my finger reflection. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. Bigger blade. Let's do 18 next to the 24. A little bit longer handle, a little bit longer blade. Let's see, yeah, feels great in the hand, just like the 24. 24, I got that much hanging off the end. Or that was 18. This is 24. I got that much hanging off the end of 24. That much hanging off the end of 18. That much on 24. A little bit longer handle. This is cool. Yeah. Thumb flick. Finger flip. Flipper. Awesome. So yeah, 24 skinny. Same width as the 18. Just longer blade and everything. Is it taller or anything? No. Not really any taller or anything. Just longer. And skinnier than the regular XM-24s. But look at that. It's freaking sweet. I'm gonna have to move that clip back here. I won't do that now. Just a quick first look. I'm gonna go check this thing out. Yeah. Hinderer XM-24 Wharncliffe. Skinny. Thanks for watching.